I got something in the mail today. Bit of a surprise. I haven't even opened it yet. What I got, big yellow envelope. You can see it's from Annie's. Anyone who knows Annie's knows that they do crochet magazine. We're gonna open it up. Let's see what's in here. No, that is not a good tool. I don't want to use that. These will do. So what I got in the mail today this is the crochet magazine Cozy Chic Crochet, late autumn of 2022. Pretty awesome edition of this magazine, as you can see. We have the Cuddle Bunnies. By me. I made them. I designed them. They're in a magazine. There's another picture of them there in the table of contents. How adorable. So thank you to all of the people at Crochet Magazine. You guys are freaking awesome. I look forward to working with you again, and everybody keep your eye out because there might be more coming. Have a great day. Happy hooking.